Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing this super fun quirky install with this wig from Reshine Hair. They went ahead and sent me the green skunk stripe frontal unit. It's a 13x4 lace frontal. It is in 180 density and in 24 inches. So the hair is really nice and full. If you want more volume or more like up and umph to it, I would definitely recommend layering this unit. But so far so good. The hair is really nice and soft. It's so easy to run my hands through, and it is just a really fun wig. It was a good install. It was easy to install. It is a glueless wig, so you know you can take it on and off as much as you'd like. And I'm gonna just stop rambling right now. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box as always, and let's jump into today's tutorial. right now I'm wearing Reshine's 13x4 frontal skunk stripe unit, the green skunk stripe unit of course, and it is in 24 inches and 180 density. This wig is super lightweight and super full at the same time. If you want that voluminous look, you can either use hairspray with dry shampoo, or you could do layers. I didn't do layers in this because I just wanted everything to look more like beach waves rather than like volume body curls. So I'm liking it. It looks very cute. I'm not a fan of like color, so whenever I do color, it has to be something I actually like, and I like this wig. She's cute. The frontal was really nice and easy to install, seeing that it's glueless, so it's easily able to come on and off whenever it's time for bed. Whenever it's time to go, it will go, or I could put it right back on. So that's something I love about this wig from Reshine. And that is pretty much it. I have nothing negative to say. The hair holds a curl really well, and I didn't record right then and there. I actually waited for about like probably 5 minutes, and this is just what the curls look like after 5 minutes of being curled. It's still super cute, so I'm loving it. And the links for this wig will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase. Thank you so much to Reshine for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.